Hey friends, and welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a quick vinyl hack for making glasses. So I am making wine glasses for a trip, and they all are the same wine glass. I've done this too before when I've made like glasses for like a bridal shower. So the first thing you want to do is take each of your glass and just clean it off with some rubbing alcohol and make sure that dries, and that just helps the vinyl stay better. And this is my tip. Fill your glass up with water and then use that water line to line up all of your decals. And when you do that, you're going to have all of your decals lined up in exactly the same place. So your glasses will all match. And it's especially important when you are doing this for glasses for like an event like this where all of your glasses are going to be mostly the same. That way when they're all lined up for the, that cute Instagram picture, then you will see them all, they're all going to be exactly where they need to be. So I am putting on the first decal, and now I'm adding the second one, which is our name. So they all have like the Mickey Mouse outline and then a name in them. So I am choosing to hang the Y off of this decal because I'm going to line it up with something. Lauren came along for the ride with this decal, so I just kind of left her on there. But that way I can line up the bottom along that water line, and her name will be straight because the water line within the glass is also straight. And then this is the trick. You're going to take the same water that's in one glass and pour it right into the next glass. That way you have the same level, the same water line to go off of for every single glass that you're doing. So here we go, one glass done. So this, I'm just showing you the exact same thing from a different angle so you can see that water line within the glass. And I'm just measuring up the bottom of Mickey's face with the top of the water line, and then putting my first decal on the glass. And the same thing just like before. Now I'm just picking up that name, and I'm going to follow the water line on the glass to line Jess's name up, and boom, there we go. It's all lined up, and I have that water glass line to follow to make sure her name is straight and where it needs to be to match the other glass that I just did. And then I'm going just to take that same water and pour it in the next glass that I have, so that line will match up for all of the glasses. So here are all of the glasses that I did for this trip, and you can see all of the names are kind of all on the same line because of that handy dandy water trick. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up, tap that bell, and let me know down in the comments what is your favorite vinyl hack. Bye, guys.